thank you. So we're gonna have to do special beef curry, Newton special beef curry. This is gonna be tasty, Newton. What did you put in? All the spices.
Yeah, all the spices I put.
Look, we got lots of spices here, the whole box.
Chili, and then turmeric,
Yeah.
and then I think cumin seed. And
Is it a special recipe?
yeah, and this is it's called paspuron.
Paspuron.
In Bangla, yeah.
Or do you put paspuron on?
Yeah. But
Oh,
it's
you
like
use
a
a homemade one.
fresh one, yeah.
You homemade.
And this one, 14 type of spices here.
14.
Yes.
Oh my days.
So
That one is
also
homemade as well.
It's a special mix.
Oh, special. Your special mix.
Yes.
Yeah, I have some special. Look,
And the
there's
last-
a lot of them. Raduni.
Yeah. So
This is the curry.
you can have a look.
The special Australian beef.
Yeah.
Like the big chunk.
Looks delicious.
It's gonna be amazing. I'm already hungry. I have special salad here. Sonia special salad. Bangladeshi style. And before we had breakfast, I forgot to take the videos. We go like, that one is what is it called? Pita. Sital pita ni nam na. Bafa pita we got that one. We got some sweet here. And that one was like Dashi style handash. With the khajur gur. We got roti. And we had a dim bhaji and aloo bhaji as well. So I forgot to take the videos. I'm gonna add it on my next vlog. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of house tour. That's this is his master bedroom. Oh, it's so hot. Yeah. And he got beautiful view from here.
Beautiful view.
Amazing view. So that's the next. There's like a wardrobe, walk-in wardrobe,
Ladies, gents.
2 walk-in wardrobe, bathroom.
Shower room and common bathroom.
Wow, that's amazing. It's a big bathroom. Next we're gonna go.
Next room.
How many room total?
Total 5.
5.
And another
There's another bedroom.
there is
There's a fitted wardrobe as well. There's again nice view from here. You can see the hilltop.
and this one as well.
There's another big bathroom. You got big shower place here, like a bathtub. Amazing. Next one
এটা হলো
is a storeroom.
হালকা
Hmm.
My room.
That's the little princess room. Wow. This beautiful room. This is the best room in the house. This is Rose's room, innit? That's her unicorn. What's his name? Oops. What's his name? That's Kushi.
Rosie.
That's what does it call? Rosie.
And I'm not sure what name this is.
You have to put a name.
lounge.
That's for chilling room. He's playing video game. Wow, she's done amazing. And another next room here. This is another, I think is
Zabir's room.
Jabi's room.
And the view from here.
It's gonna be youngster room. It's gonna be a little bit messy, obviously. And you can see the view from here. There's look like orange, but it's not orange. It's I think lemon tree. Let me zoom in. I think you guys can see here. Look, lots of lemon tree here, and you can see the amazing view from here as well. There's mountain and everything. Look this side as well. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So 4 bedroom on the top floor and 1 downstairs like a guest room. Let's go to the downstairs. I didn't take the downstairs one. So all together. From here as well. And the Haribo kitchen. And this table. Oh yeah. Look at the mountain view from the bedroom. They have a shalik. You know the Bangladeshi shalik paki. Let's see, go downstairs. Where's Shazu? Is he sleeping?
You can show the prayer room as well.
Yeah. That's like a lounge sitting room in the kitchen, and outside you've seen already. That's the prayer room. You can pray here. And I think Shazu in the bathroom. That's the entrance. And this is guest room. That's why we are staying. Me and Shazu Mia. It's a bit messy, but it's our fault.
No.
This is our all the luggage and all the stuff. Let's go outside. That's the parking, and there is a garage as well. It's a big garage. You can go inside the kitchen from there. There is a door inside as well. This area is so beautiful. I love this area. It's like a downhill from here. And Rose gonna show us some of our moves, special moves. Come, Rose.
Careful, Rose.
Wee. So table is set up full nicely. So we got what is the begun bhaji? That's aubergine bhaji, and we have rice, and this is the curry, the chef's special, Mr. Chaudhary special. And what's this one? Fish.
Fish. Nilla.
What kind of fish is that?
It's a silver biddies, but it's a nice.
Lage amra khoi mas lane khoi mas, and that's the ghost.
And this is khatta with prawn.
Oh yeah.
Boroi khatta.
The another.
And jolpai.
Oh my days! Look at this big prawn.
School prawns. Anyway.